Hello everyone, welcome to philviestory. Today I'll be making red dates peach gum dessert. I got my peach gum from Nicole Ann's. You can visit her Facebook page or her YouTube channel to get the peach gum from her. And for the peach gum, I will soak it overnight in the fridge, and the next day it will blooms up, and there will be some black particles. I think it's the bark of the peach gum tree or something like that. Just use a tweezer to pick out the black particles. And for this recipe, I can cook roughly about 5 bowls. Just use as much peach gum as you want, and I'll be adding in white fungus, which I've already soaked for 30 minutes and trim out all the yellow parts. Then a handful of red dates and dried longan, then also some rock sugar. Depending on how sweet you want it to be, you put as much sugar as you want. Here I have a pot of water boiling. It's roughly almost 2 liters, and then I'll be adding in the red dates, the white fungus, and also the dried longan. And I'll be boiling this for 30 minutes until the dried longan is fully hydrated. Then only I'll add in the sugar, the rock sugar, and also the peach gum. This is nice if you are serving it hot or warm, and then you can also keep it in a small container bowl and then chill it in the fridge and have it the next day. Normally I will also add in pandan leaves, but during MCO I don't go out. I've been staying in for like the past 3 weeks, so I don't have pandan leaves with me. But if you have, you can always add in pandan leaves. It will make it very fragrantful. After I add in my peach gum, I will boil it for another 20 to 25 minutes. I think it will depend on the quality of your peach gum. How long do you need to boil it? Mine, it softens about at 20 plus minutes, so you may want to keep an eye on it. So that's it. It's so easy to make, and you can have a yummy dessert anytime. Thank you for watching. Bye and stay safe.